Welcome to this technical guide on the Acer Spin 3. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Acer Spin 3 isn't reading the hard drive, you're not alone. This issue can arise for several reasons, often related to a faulty connection or a failing hard drive. If left unaddressed, it may lead to data loss or make your laptop unusable. So, let's get started on fixing this problem together. For this repair, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement hard drive if necessary. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Wearing your anti-static wrist strap, carefully flip the Acer Spin 3 over to access the back panel. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove all the screws securing the back cover. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once all screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using the plastic spudger. Be cautious to avoid damaging any clips or components. Now, locate the hard drive. It's typically situated near the center of the device, attached with a bracket. Carefully disconnect the SATA cable from the hard drive by pulling it straight out. If you notice any signs of physical damage or if the drive looks unusually hot, it may need replacing. To remove the hard drive, unscrew the bracket holding it in place. Make sure to apply gentle and even pressure when unscrewing. Once it's free, slide the hard drive out of its slot. If you're installing a new hard drive, simply reverse the process by sliding it into the slot, securing it with the bracket and screws, and reconnecting the SATA cable. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After replacing the hard drive, carefully replace the back cover of your laptop, ensuring all clips are secured. Then, reinsert all the screws, making sure they are tightened adequately but not overly so. Finally, power on your Acer Spin 3 to check if it recognizes the hard drive. If it does, congratulations! You've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly check your hard drive's health, keep your laptop clean from dust, and ensure proper ventilation during use. This will help maintain optimal performance and prolong the lifespan of your device. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.